I just found this bird who's really giving up. I try to tell the bird, don't give up yet. You know, I know it's tough sometimes, but you can do it. You know, I know you can do it. Come on, you know, fly. Come on, fly. I know you can fly. You're not that old. Come on, go fly. Fly somewhere. Don't hang out here, or you're gonna become prey. Telling this bird, it's not a safe place here. You know, you don't want to hang out here. Like, get some shelter. Go somewhere else. Like, if you're gonna stay here, you're gonna be meat. What can I say? What can I do?